Dear candidates, welcome to the DM Softech for the demonstration video. In this video, I am going to give you the work detail of the offline typing job. See, the first thing, we give you company software. It is asking for login. After login, it appears like this. Software got 3 sections, section 1, 2, 3. In these 3 sections, you will be typing the details. The information will be given in the format of JPG. It is like photos. It looks like this. It will be very clear. Whatever the details are given, you're supposed to type it in our software. Image got 25 fields. Domain name to domain status, which is already divided into 3 sections in the software. Domain name to registered phone number, it is a section 1. Admin name to technical address is a section 2. Technical email ID to remaining part, it is a section 3. So this expiry date comes at last. Rest all things are order-wise. So now, example, okay. Whatever the informations are given, you're supposed to type according to our training manual. So that things will explain it in writing. Okay, now I am showing you the demo. So think that I am typing. Domain name it is given 004re.com. Domain register name it is given dropcast.com 464 LLC. Now example, think that I am typing. You should not type like this. I am just showing you. So after completing 3 sections, you're supposed to save. Record saves successfully. One image is completed. It is like photos. Change the photo. Again start type. Section 1, 2, 3. After 3 sections, you're supposed to save. You find counter. Now 2 images are completed. Since this is like part-time job, okay, whenever you feel free, you can close it by saving. Once you become free, you can log in again. Now 2 images are completed. Third one. Again, you're supposed to start typing. So 3 images completed. If you want to cross check, you can use option search or first, next, previous, last option to check back or correcting. So here there is a edit option. There is a no copy paste option. You can do only edit. So I think now you understood. Okay. So at last, after completing your work, you should use option submit. Do you want to submit your all work? It is asking. So before submission, if there is any correction, you should do it. When you click yes, file has been successfully created on desktop. Since the file is already generated, it will be in the format of database DB format. You don't have access to open it and edit and all. Okay, you can't open it. It is for only client purpose. Directly you're supposed to send this email. When you click submit, the data which you have typed, everything will get freezed. You can only say you don't have access to edit, and even we don't have access to edit also. See, this file we export into Excel and we'll give you the report. So you'll get it in the format of, say, now domain name, domain register name. If you have done any mistakes, say here there is a mistake, so they highlighted in red mark. Here also there is a mistake. If you want to cross check, you can go to search option and search that form number. So then you find your mistake. No misunderstandings will happen. Otherwise, so people will say that, sir, we did properly, and from your side there is a mistake. So like that and all, miscommunication will happen. For the security reason, give this option, submit. After submission, it will get freezed. So I think you understood the concept. Here, image to database, you are converting by using this software. Okay. If you want to get into these projects, we have certain procedures. Part-time, full-time, two options are there. 3 to 4 hours if you are able to spend, go for part-time. More than 6 hours if you can spend, go for full-time. This is for students and housewives. This is for experts and experienced person. Number of images given, 500 to 1000 images are given in part-time. If you want more than 1000, you have to directly go for 2000 images in full-time. Anything you can do. First month part-time, next month full-time. Whatever you take, you are supposed to come. Time duration for completing this job is 24 days. See, directly we are not giving you the work. We make you to practice first. After that, we check the quality. If there is any correction before starting, we'll give you all the updates. See, quality is very, very important. We need more than 80% quality. More than 80% means you should not cross more than 80 mistakes. Here, you should not cross more than 200 mistakes. If you are crossing more than 80 or 200, the accuracy will fall below 80%. So make sure we need more than 80%. About these things, we'll talk to you in the training very clearly. See, now the payout for one image is 10 rupees. 10 into 500, 5000, 10 into 1000, 10,000. Here 11 into 2000, 22,000. See, we set minimum 500 because if you don't earn at least 5,000 in a month, then what is the use of doing this job? So that only we made minimum 500. And this is for 11 months. Up to 11 months, this projects will be given. You can utilize every month. You should work. It is not compulsory. It is up to you. First month you can work, and second month you can take a break. Again, third month you can work. Whatever, it's up to you. But if you are not doing, so you're supposed to inform us. See, here we take 3,700 as a security deposit. Since this is a business, we have invested in this. We got our own commitment like staff salaries, office rents, and we have invested in these projects also. Okay, so suppose if 10% is taking this job, and if we get only 3-4 submissions, remaining 6%, if they are not responding us, financially it will get affected. So if there is a deposit amount, people will not make any lazy on working, or they will respond 100%. Okay, at the time it won't be affected to us. The process will go very smooth. So which is refundable amount, security deposit. If you work for 4 months in part-time or 2 months in full-time, you will get back your refundable. Monthly, one project will be given. See, before taking the project, decide properly. 2 projects are not given. Monthly, one project. Whatever the quantity you required, you can decide that. Laptop or desktop required compulsory, because you will be doing the entries in software. Typing, if you know typing, you can get into this job. Otherwise, please don't get registered with us. If the registered candidate fails to maintain the quality up to 80%, the contract will be terminated and the person will not get refunded. Make sure we are working for quality reasons. If you don't maintain the quality, or if you don't submit the work, your contract will cancel and you don't get that refundable. We don't accept any reasons from the candidate, and medical issues, so many issues. They will be saying computer problem in these things. We don't accept any reasons. Make sure. Okay. What is the security, sir? After paying the security deposit and working for 1 month, if you guys don't pay the salary, what will be the surety that we'll be having? People will think. If you are in Bangalore, visit our office and take the physical agreement. We make your seal, signature, everything, and we'll give it to you. So at the time, you can, if there is any problem, you can go for legal action. Out of station customer will scan the copy and we mail you, or if you want a hard copy, So you need to share us a proper address. We can post it out also. QC report will be placed within 3 to 5 days. See, after submitting the DB file, okay, when we receive that file, we take 3 to 5 days to check the quality and give you the report. So this is the report sample, okay, like this. After getting your report, cross-check, as I said, you can cross-check with this software. Then write a mail saying that yes, I accept with my report and this is my account details. You can transfer the salary. Then the payment will be transferred within 2 days. 3 to 7 days, the payment will be cleared. If you have any report related queries, you can contact us. Online registration facilities are available for out of Bangalore candidates. If you stay in Bangalore, you can visit our office, or if you are not able to visit, you can also get registered through online, no problem. Refer and earn. If you refer any of your friends or anyone, okay, we pay you 500 rupees. It is not for impressing you, because you are reducing our marketing cost. We are paying you. That cost will be given to you. More details you can WhatsApp me or you can call me. And thank you for your time. Be patient. Thank you for your patience. Okay. When you are working also, you should have patience. Okay. Thank you for the demo session. Have a nice day.